I'm sure just like me, a lot of you must have been wondering how custard is being made, especially how it turns yellow from white. Well, worry no more, because today I don't catch them. If you follow the simple steps, then you should be able to make your own custard at the comfort of your home. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this custard. I have corn flour. I also have some vanilla powder, icing sugar because why not, some egg yolk, very important, milk flavor because I need some creamy custard, and then you can add salt, optional. So I have a sieve on top of a clean bowl where I'll be adding 2 cups of corn flour, half a tablespoon of vanilla powder, 1 tablespoon icing sugar, 1 teaspoon milk powder, half a teaspoon of salt, optional, and 1/4 teaspoon egg yolk powder. Now you're going to sieve all ingredients together to remove crumbs, just like I'm doing right now in the video. Mix everything together and that's it, guys. I'll be saving mine in a tight container for my family's consumption, the juiciest parts. Let's prepare it together to be sure we have custard. In a clean bowl, add the required amounts that you'll be using, add in water, and then mix thoroughly to be sure everything is smooth. See the color now. See the color. It's my first time actually, guys, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Yay! Add in your hot water, and thank God it didn't disappoint me. I mean, I'm a professional in making custard and pap. You can bet, take it to the bank. Mix everything well, stir it. You can either consume it like this or you add your required milk or whatever toppings that you'd love. This is amazing, guys, amazing. Stir this together and see how smooth it is. This tasted so delicious. Would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye, guys.